Oh yeah. All right. I'm still building out this presentation for you here. So just bear with me. I'm getting things ready behind the scenes. It's earnings season. Markets are split.
Season.
We got people in the background.
Market season.
She'll entertain you as I build this. Hey, you gonna read the disclaimer for them? See this thing that's coming out here? You read that for them. They can read it themselves, but you gotta read it. Let's see. See if you can read it.
This shows is entertainment.
Edutainment.
Entertainment viewed for your what's that word?
Educational.
And entertainment proposal
purposes.
Not to be
taken
as
financial advice.
Welcome, social media world. I'm Catalina Lou and Alfred Gordon Lou, and this is 8 at 8, and 8 starts right now.
Boom. All right. Here you go. Here's your puppet. Hi, everybody. We're talking about the 20 companies that Warren Buffett says to look at. Not these specific companies, but just pick 20, focus on those, and you can make a lot of money. Today we're looking at Salesforce. It is part of the information technology sector, XLK. Ticker symbol CRM. I love this. I love this combination here. CRM, customer service management. That's what Salesforce software is all about. If you're an investor, you should be taking a look at investor relation pages of every company that you're looking at to look at key information and also to dive into their financials, their quarterly statements, their annual reports, and essentially what they're all about. Look at that. Sales, service, marketing, commerce, engagement platform. Look at that. All this stuff, analytics. That's what most people know them for. And you came here really for the chart, so let's do that. All right. If we're taking a look at Salesforce. Oh my, what happened there? Salesforce. Oh my, oh my, oh my. What is going on here? Let's put that back here. Thanks for staying with me, whoever you are. You're watching this kind of go crazy. So let's zoom in here. If you're looking from a positional standpoint, and Catalina's back there causing a ruckus, is this a buy or hold? We are taking a look. It looks like it is a strong get out of the money and avoid this dip that we're having here. So we got that signal that it moved lower in, I think, December or November. And it did a reversal in December, and then again back in January, it made up its mind to go for the dip. And then back in December, the sellers had control, and also way back in November, we started seeing people kind of dump this stock or get out, close after close. So let's see what these opportunities are, because there are some big dips here. Let's see. Woo! Look at that. Yeah, can you do that again? Wait a minute, that was Facebook.
Facebook.
What am I doing? I gotta go back. Salesforce. Oh, we're looking at the wrong stock here.
I cannot hear you.
All right, let's take a look. Let's see if this lines up to do what Facebook did. Tech companies usually have the same kind of, because they're all part of the sector, right? Facebook is still part of XLK here and here. So boom, there you go. Back in December, moved past that moving average. January, sellers have control. And again, in December, people started really dumping this stock. So let's take a look at what opportunities there are for us swing traders. That means people that are, looking for momentum, that are going to buy the dip and sell the high. And we're going to use Bollinger Bands for this. And why is this not working? We're having a heyday here. There you go. That's the Bollinger Bands. We're not looking at Pfizer. We're looking at Salesforce. And we're zooming in here. So as you can see, we had the extensions, and they extended towards the downside. So we're just going to remove those extensions, and then we're going to focus on just what we see right here. So if you are going to buy the dip, and it's still dipping hard, the momentum is definitely down, you had an opportunity here, and you did a little bit of bounce. Is it strong enough to get back up to the middle of the Bollinger Band? It's definitely hovering out on the outside, because Look at that strength. It is hovering around the 20 line, right? Back and forth, back and forth. That means it's very weak. It's not a very strong market. And also the momentum for this thing, look at this right here. It is down as well. I don't know if you can see that there, but the green line and the purple line, they are well below the zero, and the sellers definitely have full control as it's pulling down the market. So what else do we have to look at in the next little bit for our wonderful Salesforce? Let's take a look at earnings call. They just had an earnings call March 1st. They did magic finger. We were expecting 0.74 right there. They gave us 0.84. That was a great upside. They're going to meet again in May. So you swing traders, look if they're going to have a great quarter. We are expecting 0.94, which is a really good.
0.94.
Right? What will they deliver? 127 maybe?
127.
Right? 125?
127.
Who knows? We don't know. No one knows.
Nobody knows the future.
Nobody knows the future. But what we can tell you is what's coming up in our economic calendar. Look at today again, 291 earnings. There is 24 stock splits, 1 IPO, and 69 economic events. What out of those economic events, what's going to move us today, and what might even move Salesforce? Is it the MBA purchase index? Is it mortgage refinancing? Is it going to be more mortgage rate stuff that's coming out, pending sales, or the big bulk of it, mostly about sales and energy, crude information is coming out here. So not a lot of stuff that's going to move the CRM stock, but move the markets in a big way generally. All right, so let's take, whoa, that's too big. That's too small. That's just right. Let's go take a look in the last 2 minutes of intraday charts. For those of you who are scalping, definitely this is the season for that. Because it's so volatile, you got to be quick ins and outs. I've been spending more time in this category here intraday, just trying to take advantage of the down market and where we're going. So we're taking the lows, we're taking the highs. Let's take a look at this retracement. So it had a wonderful ride down, and then it looks like it's bounced off this bottom at 166, or a strong bottom 166. I would say there's a stronger floor right about here around 169. And now it's hitting up to this top again for some resistance at 175. So that's a pretty good spread for the day. Wow, that is a pretty good spread. I'm gonna have to look into this more. That's a $9 spread. Let's zoom in here. So now it's an upward channel, 175 and 171. So that's still a $4 spread that it's channeling in. You could take advantage of this little, when it dips down again on this bottom floor, and then it retraces up. But yeah, is this going up or is this going down? Generally in the last few days it's going down, but it's going to have a giant retracement. So why is it not zooming out? Come here. Why? I want to zoom out. Why won't you zoom out? No zoom out. How did I draw my fib if I'm not zooming out? Oh well, that's what I wanted to do. Oh, I know why. It's got to go like this. Ha ha ha. There you go. So if we take a look at this, it's going to retrace exactly that 61 level, and it's bouncing down. It made, higher highs, lower lows. This kind of bucks the trend. So did it hit a real floor here?
Maybe.
We're going to see if there is a double top. Could this be a triple? This could be almost a triple top right here, all on the workday, meaning that it's going to go further into the downside. There you go. I would say you have a strong seal. Downside.
Was that a good end?
Yeah.
If you see these, I've been hitting them in the video. If you could spot them, maybe say how many did you find?
Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, everybody.
Peace out.
Peace. Hey, we have not been doing our 8 to 8s at night.
Why?
Why haven't we been doing them at night?
Maybe because we stayed up a little later.
Why have we been staying up a little bit later?
Because these were for my Adelise's birthday party.
So we've been going out lots at night, right? What else? You had a birthday
Party.
Happy birthday, Adelise.
If you're watching only.
And we got one more minute. So what do you want to say in the last minute?
Say how many you see of these. If you, this, it's green, so you don't know what color they could be during. But it's all different colors. Look.
And then we got a little Moy back here with some toothpaste on her face. We got to get her ready for school.
Okay, so that's enough for talking about these guys. Just tell how many you could find, and just say.
We're gonna.
I think Candace invited all her family, and I hope you like it. It's also a spotting game for you. Maybe tomorrow I'll do another one. Chubby cheeks.
Watch out, going down. Table going down. There you go. We're gonna get a little more view in here. All right, about 14 seconds left before we gotta say goodbye, everybody. What are we gonna do?
Mow mustache.
6 seconds. Bye, Moy. Have a good day at school today.
Have a good day. I can't hear you.